Serala Elevate AP Online Training. What is Serala Elevate AP and how does it streamline accounts payable? Serala Elevate AP is a solution designed to automate and streamline accounts payable AP processes. It enables businesses to manage their accounts payable workflows more efficiently by integrating with various enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems such as SAP. The platform is designed to handle the entire AP life cycle, from invoice receipt to payment execution, ensuring accuracy, reducing manual work, and improving cash flow management. Key features of Serala Elevate AP. Invoice automation. It automates the capture, validation, and processing of invoices, significantly reducing manual data entry errors and administrative overhead. It can handle both paper and electronic invoices. Integrated workflow. Elevate AP integrates seamlessly with ERPs, ensuring a unified workflow for accounts payable across the organization. This integration helps in real-time visibility and tracking of the approval process, reducing bottlenecks. Payment automation. The platform automates payment processing, allowing businesses to schedule, approve, and execute payments directly through the system, with support for multiple payment methods like ARC, SCPA, and wire transfers. Compliance and audit trail. Elevate AP ensures compliance with local regulations and internal policies by providing a detailed audit trail and automated checks for compliance, reducing the risk of fraud and errors. Supplier management. The solution also offers supplier management features, allowing companies to communicate with suppliers, manage payment terms, and track payment statuses, helping to build stronger supplier relationships. Enhanced reporting and analytics. Elevate AP includes reporting tools that offer insights into AP performance, cash flow, and payment trends. This allows businesses to make data-driven decisions and optimize their working capital. Cost reduction. By automating manual tasks, Elevate AP helps reduce operational costs associated with accounts payable processes, such as printing checks or manual invoice entry. How it streamlines accounts payable? Efficiency. Automating key tasks like invoice capture, validation, and payment execution saves time and reduces human error. Visibility. Real-time visibility into the AP process provides greater control and helps ensure that payments are made on time. Cash flow optimization. With automated payment scheduling, businesses can better manage their cash flow, taking advantage of early payment discounts or extending payment terms as needed. Error reduction. Automation eliminates many manual steps, reducing the likelihood of errors such as duplicate payments or missed invoices. Faster approval cycles. The solution provides workflow automation that accelerates the invoice approval process, helping to reduce delays and improve vendor relationships. How can Serala Elevate AP improve invoice automation and efficiency? Serala Elevate AP is a solution designed to enhance accounts payable AP processes, focusing on improving invoice automation and operational efficiency. Here's how it can help. Automated invoice capture. Elevate AP utilizes advanced technologies like optical character recognition (OCR) to automatically capture invoice data from various sources, including paper invoices, PDFs, and email attachments. This eliminates manual data entry, reducing errors and saving time. Streamlined approval workflows. The solution provides flexible approval workflows that ensure invoices are routed to the right stakeholders for timely approvals. Automation of these workflows accelerates the process and reduces bottlenecks that often occur in manual handling. Enhanced visibility and control. Elevate AP offers real-time dashboards and reporting capabilities, giving finance teams full visibility into the status of invoices, approval processes, and cash flow. This allows for better decision-making and proactive management. Vendor self-service portal. With Elevate AP, vendors can access a self-service portal to submit invoices, track payment status, and resolve issues independently. This reduces administrative workload and improves vendor relationships by providing faster communication and transparency. Payment automation. The solution integrates with payment systems, enabling automatic payment execution once invoices are approved. This ensures timely payments, reduces manual intervention, and enhances cash flow management. Integration with ERP systems. Elevate AP integrates seamlessly with major ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics, ensuring that invoice data is correctly entered into the financial systems, preventing errors and duplication of work. Compliance and auditability. The solution provides audit trails, ensuring that every step of the invoice approval process is documented. This helps maintain compliance with regulatory requirements and simplifies audits. What are the key features of Serala Elevate AP for businesses? Serala Elevate AP is an accounts payable AP automation solution designed to streamline and optimize the accounts payable process for businesses. Some of the key features of Serala Elevate AP include end-to-end AP automation. Automates the entire accounts payable process from invoice receipt, approval workflows, and matching to payment processing, making the AP workflow more efficient and less prone to errors. Invoice data capture and OCR uses optical character recognition (OCR) technology to capture and extract data from incoming invoices, reducing manual data entry and improving accuracy. Approval workflow management provides configurable approval workflows that ensure invoices are reviewed and approved by the appropriate personnel in a timely manner, supporting segregation of duties and reducing bottlenecks. Supplier portal offers a self-service supplier portal that allows vendors to submit invoices, track payments, and manage their details, improving supplier relationships and reducing administrative overhead. Payment processing facilitates electronic payment processing, including ARC, wire transfers, and other methods, to ensure timely and accurate payments to suppliers. Real-time reporting and analytics provides powerful reporting and analytics capabilities, allowing businesses to track key metrics such as payment status, cash flow, and supplier performance to make data-driven decisions. Compliance and security supports compliance with regulatory requirements such as VAT and tax laws, and ensures the security of financial transactions through encryption and access controls. Integration with ERP systems seamlessly integrates with major ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, and others to ensure that AP data is synchronized across platforms and eliminates the need for manual data transfer. Exception handling automates the detection and resolution of exceptions, such as invoice discrepancies, by enabling quick identification and streamlined issue resolution. Scalability. Designed to scale with business growth, Serala Elevate AP can handle increasing invoice volumes and adapt to changing business requirements. How does Serala Elevate AP integrate with ERP systems for better financial control? Serala Elevate AP integrates with ERP systems to improve financial control by streamlining and automating accounts payable (AP) processes, ensuring better visibility, accuracy, and compliance. Here's how it works. ERP integration. Elevate AP seamlessly integrates with various ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics to ensure a smooth flow of data between the AP process and financial management systems. This reduces manual data entry and ensures consistency between the ERP and AP systems. Automated invoice processing. Elevate AP captures invoices, validates them against purchase orders and receipts, and automatically processes them. The integration with ERP allows for automatic matching of invoices to contracts, orders, and goods receipts, reducing discrepancies and errors. Centralized data access. By integrating with ERPs, Elevate AP centralizes financial data, allowing stakeholders to access real-time insights into spending, cash flow, and outstanding invoices. This enables better financial control and decision-making. Approval workflows. Elevate AP automates the approval workflows by integrating with the approval processes within the ERP system, ensuring that all invoices are reviewed and approved in line with company policies before payments are made. Compliance and reporting. With the integration of Elevate AP and ERP systems, organizations can generate detailed financial reports and track compliance with accounting and tax regulations, ensuring that the business adheres to internal policies and external requirements. Payment execution and reconciliation. The solution also integrates with payment systems to automate payment execution, ensuring timely payments while also reconciling payments with the ERP, which helps maintain accurate financial records and avoids duplicate payments. Enhanced visibility and control. With better data visibility across the entire AP process, businesses gain greater control over cash flow, early payment discounts, and audit trails, which enhances financial management and control. What are the benefits of automating accounts payable with Serala Elevate AP? Automating accounts payable (AP) with Serala Elevate AP offers several key benefits for organizations. Improved efficiency and speed. Automation speeds up the invoice processing time, reducing manual effort and minimizing delays in approval and payment cycles. This leads to faster payment processing and reduces bottlenecks. Cost reduction. By reducing manual tasks, organizations can lower administrative costs and streamline the entire accounts payable process. This includes savings from reduced paperwork, fewer errors, and less need for manual intervention. Enhanced accuracy. Automated processes reduce human error, ensuring greater accuracy in invoice processing and payment. This helps avoid discrepancies, duplicate payments, and late fees. Better cash flow management. With automated tracking of invoices and payments, businesses can gain greater control and visibility over their cash flow, making it easier to plan for expenditures and optimize working capital. Improved supplier relationships. By ensuring timely and accurate payments, organizations can strengthen relationships with suppliers, take advantage of early payment discounts, and avoid late fees, all of which contribute to better vendor trust and loyalty. Stronger compliance and audit trails. Automation enhances compliance by creating a clear, traceable record of all transactions, approvals, and payment actions. This simplifies auditing, improves transparency, and ensures that financial processes adhere to regulatory standards. Scalability. Automated AP processes are easily scalable to accommodate growing business needs. Organizations can handle increased invoice volumes without adding extra resources, ensuring consistent and reliable performance even during periods of expansion. Integration with ERP systems. Serala Elevate AP integrates seamlessly with existing ERP systems, example SAP, ensuring a unified and efficient financial workflow across all departments. Real-time visibility and reporting. The automation platform provides real-time reporting and analytics on AP data, enabling businesses to track payment statuses, approvals, and exceptions, thereby improving decision-making. Enhanced security. Automated AP systems reduce the risk of fraud by offering secure workflows, approval hierarchies, and access controls, ensuring only authorized personnel can make changes or approve payments. How can Serala Elevate AP enhance supplier relationship management? Serala Elevate AP can enhance supplier relationship management (SRM) by improving the efficiency, transparency, and collaboration between buyers and suppliers. Here are some ways it can achieve this. Streamlined accounts payable process. Serala Elevate AP automates and optimizes the accounts payable (AP) process, reducing manual work and errors. This ensures that payments to suppliers are made on time and accurately, fostering trust and a positive relationship with suppliers. Improved visibility and transparency. The solution offers real-time visibility into payment statuses and supplier performance, allowing businesses to track invoices, payments, and aging reports efficiently. This transparency helps suppliers stay informed about their payment schedules, improving communication and trust. Enhanced communication. With Elevate AP, suppliers can be provided with self-service portals to view invoice status, payment details, and other relevant information. This reduces the need for back-and-forth communication, ensuring faster resolution of queries and enhancing supplier satisfaction. Better supplier collaboration. The solution supports collaboration by enabling buyers and suppliers to engage in seamless transactions, such as sending remittance advice or clarifying discrepancies quickly. This can help build long-term, mutually beneficial relationships. Early payment discounts. Elevate AP can help companies take advantage of early payment discounts by streamlining payment processes and ensuring that payments are made on time. This can strengthen supplier relationships by demonstrating commitment to honoring financial agreements and helping suppliers improve cash flow. Supplier performance analytics. Elevate AP provides businesses with data and analytics on supplier performance, including payment history, compliance with terms, and responsiveness. These insights can help companies identify areas for improvement, optimize supplier selection, and negotiate better contracts, leading to stronger supplier relationships. Reduced disputes and errors. By automating invoice processing and applying business rules, the platform reduces the risk of errors, discrepancies, and disputes. Suppliers benefit from faster and more accurate payments, which can strengthen the partnership. Strategic decision-making. Through analytics and performance metrics, companies can make data-driven decisions regarding supplier management, negotiating better terms, and improving overall supplier collaboration. What are the security features in Serala Elevate AP for protecting financial data? Serala Elevate AP, Accounts Payable, includes several key security features designed to protect financial data. These features help ensure that transactions are secure, compliant, and resilient against unauthorized access or fraud. Some of the notable security features include Role-Based Access Control, RBAC. Serala Elevate AP implements role-based access to ensure that users only have access to data and functionalities they are authorized to. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access or accidental data exposure. Data encryption. Financial data is encrypted both in transit and at rest to ensure that sensitive information is secure. This prevents data interception or theft during communication and storage. Authentication and authorization. Elevate AP supports robust authentication methods, including multi-factor authentication, MFA, to verify the identity of users before granting access to the system. This adds an extra layer of security. Audit trails and monitoring. The platform provides comprehensive logging and audit trails to track user activities and financial transactions. This allows organizations to detect any suspicious activities, maintain compliance, and quickly respond to potential security threats. Fraud detection and prevention. Elevate AP has built-in fraud detection mechanisms that monitor and flag suspicious behaviors or transactions that could indicate fraud. These can include duplicate payments, unusual transaction patterns, or unauthorized attempts to alter data. Segregation of duties, SOD. The system enforces segregation of duties, ensuring that no single user can complete critical financial tasks alone. This minimizes the risk of internal fraud and helps maintain the integrity of financial processes. Secure APIs for integration. When integrating with other financial systems or third-party applications, Elevate AP uses secure APIs, ensuring that all data exchanges are encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. Compliance with regulatory standards. Elevate AP is designed to comply with various financial and data protection regulations, such as GDPR, SOX, and PCI DSS, ensuring that sensitive financial data is handled according to legal and industry standards. Continuous monitoring and threat intelligence. The system is equipped with ongoing monitoring tools that utilize threat intelligence to detect and respond to potential security vulnerabilities or attacks in real time. Thank you.